So check out this, guys. The train is just riding, you know, just just over my head, you know. So this is how they looks like, and today that is what we are going to ride together. So let's go. Okay.
Yeah. Hello India, कैसे हो?
Hello India, कैसे हो?
Yeah.
I'm now learning some Indian from my brother. Guys, check out these things like this stuff, you know. And like once you are going, check out how those things looks like. It keeps on moving, you know. It keeps on moving. I think that is because of the balance up there. Check out these wheels. Wow, guys, this has to be some of the I bet you have never ride something like this. We are in Wuppertal in Germany, and you have to check this train. You have to check it. Good morning, guys. So today I am in Wuppertal in Germany. So when I was in Basel in Switzerland, I was looking at the German trains in general, and then I saw that there is one specific train in Germany which will be very, very interesting to ride, you know. So I realized this is something amazing, and I need to get there to ride. I need to get to this city called Wuppertal. So this train, I think they are called Wuppertal Schwebebahn. So Wuppertal Suspension Railway, you know. So it was first opened in 1901, and today it has over 20 stations and 13 kilometers length. So that is what I want to ride today. As you can see here at the back here, on these rail tracks here, this is where these trains ride, you know. And then over there inside here, this is just the main station, like where these trains docks, and over there then you have a station. So that is what we are going to ride today. So if you want to see all these rides, then come along with me. Let's take these trains to go and see how cool it is to ride these trains. So here I am having a great view. So this is where like they go, they go in, and from there on this big like house that looks like a warehouse, then they will just turn and then come again and start their journey. Then they will go. So this is where we are today. So let us just go and check, and how much also a daily ticket is going to cost, like a ticket for 24 hours, because I want to ride this thing the whole day to be able to show you guys something. And the coolest part about this thing is that like the train tracks is also just like under this water line here. So which means the whole time there are some places it is going to ride like through the city center as well, but on most of the parts it's just going to be like this, you know, like these waterways. So this is what makes this train ride so amazing, you know. So let us go and check out how much does a ticket cost, and then let's buy a daily ticket and then go. So here is the city center of Wuppertal. So let's see. So first of all, I will just go and buy a ticket. This is where I am. Oberbarmen Bahnhof, I believe, was Bahnhof. So this is where you go up, you know, just to go and ride. So the first thing I'm going to do is buy a daily ticket, and then we can go. Alright, so let's see. Here it says a ticket, einzelne ticket. So I don't know, like you know, like which type of tickets should I even buy to start with, you know. But yeah, I think it's going to be at that other place. So yeah, let me just check that one and then buy a ticket from this place here, and then let's go and get the ride. Alright, so now it's my turn to buy a ticket, and then you can see here. So here is like their ticket plan. Here I'm going to buy like a daily ticket for one person. Let's go. So that's going to cost me like €8.30. Alright. So now I can pay with my card. So it says I should wait. I will now give so put on my pin. All right. No, not 2 times. Oh shit. Guys, I just bought like a ticket twice, 24 hours ticket. Oh no, I do not want that. That is just a big mistake. Like I just bought like a 2 ticket at once. Check out this. Man, I will just need to give someone a free ticket today. No. Oh, that's a big mistake. So okay. Anyway, now we have our ticket. Then let's go and ride. Yeah. So let's go. Guys, I am really excited, you know. I am really excited to be able to come here, you know. I have been planning this journey for long, but now I am here. Then we can just go and ride it. All right, so let the journey begin. And so this is how it looks like. Yeah. So this is its round, and then let's go and check it. Check out under here, like how does it looks like. Let me get in for the first ride. Right, so I'm right now in, and then it's not that big as I was expecting it to be, you know, but so far so good. Everything is nice, and then you have the places, you know, the seats as well. So they are also from wood, I believe. So yeah, let's take a ride. I really want to see everything. Guys, check out these things like this stuff, you know. And like once you are going, check out how this looks like. It keeps on moving, you know. It keeps on moving. I think that is because of the balance up there. Check out these wheels. Wow, guys, this has to be some of the most incredible engineering that I have ever seen. This is something real. So yeah, there comes like in every 14 minutes, I believe, or maybe 15 minutes. So right now the first one is going in 3 minutes, which is going to be this one here, and then the next is going to come in 13 minutes. Check out, guys, check out this thing. This is just cool. This is just cool. Let me just take a picture here. That is for the thumbnail. So let's go and ride this one. It's going like in 3 minutes. Look from the other side here, the other one just stopped. The other one just stopped right now. I am really excited, you know. I am really excited to be here. I can't wait, you know, like let it move. So it keeps on moving, you know. Like if people are moving inside, this also keeps on moving, you know. That's just the balance. So this is really amazing, you know. I mean, if you are ever around this place here, you should definitely come and visit this place, you know, because this is something I have never been in. I mean, this is my first time to ride something like this. But yeah, it's really amazing. We still have 1 minute. Then it's going to move, and check this other one. The other one from the other side is going to dock right now.
Gdzie idziemy? Ale będzie działać.
Alright, so it's now going. They are going to close the door now. It's time. let's go get this done. You know, so the most amazing thing is also that, you know, like you also have like a lot of tourists here, you know, so which means like a lot of people also come here just to be able to ride this, just to be able to ride this, how do you call it, a train or a tram, I don't even know, but yeah, because the hotel that I was staying, I have also seen a lot of tourists there, you know, who they all came here, I mean, just to be able to see these things. And over there you also have the plan. I'm going to show you that later on, like which are some of the stops. So today I will be riding up to the last stop, you know, which is going to be, I think, the 12th one. So let's see like how many minutes it's going to ride. Normally it says like half an hour, so which is going to be 30 minutes approximately. So the doors are now closed and then it's now moving. Guys, check out this light. Check how amazing this is, you know. I can't believe. Oh shit. Just check out the rail tracks up there. It feels like the whole tram is kind of like going left and right on the, you know, so because under there is nothing, so it's like everything that is controlling it, it's up there, you know, like the engines and everything else, so which makes it like something spatial. Look at this. This is the next stop. So this is the next stop. I mean, like the first stop, and then. There you have many people. So in every stop, it's like the first stop, not many people. The second one, I think, was only 2 people, but here you have more people. So I believe like the way it moves, the more it goes like that. In the city center, you know, so whereby you will have more and more people. You should be coming in and also going down at the same time as well. So look at this. Let me capture this. said, like in every stop you have more and more people, so which means like that this direction, the way it moves, maybe that's where like most of the population is also concentrated as well. Because the more you move, the more you have more people coming in, but more people also going out at the same time as well. So let the door close, let's go. Most place, you know, just record video. So I'm now sitting at the end, you know, so it's just going through this direction, so which means by sitting here I will be able to see more views, you know, of the city, and then more views of like these rail tracks also up there, you know, because that is what makes this so amazing. I mean, having the rail tracks up there, not down there, you know, and you can also feel it like once you are sitting, it's kind of like moving to left and right at the same times also, you know, so which definitely makes it so amazing to ride these things. So if you are ever here in this city, I will definitely recommend you guys, you know, just to come and see more and more and more, you know, just to come and ride these things. Because check out this one. So I think the whole ride is going to take like half an hour. It's going to be like 30 minutes, I believe. But I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to stop somewhere. So just to be able to get, I mean, the views from outside as well. That's where we are, and if you guys can see, Locha Brücke, something like that. Check out this here. Guys, this is fucking amazing. Church, but no one goes to church here, so I missed that. It's now going a little bit faster.
Straße. Sie erreichen von hier das Berufsinformationszentrum und die Agentur für Arbeit.
Just check it, like it's swinging right now, you know, left and right, because everything is up there, the engines, I mean the rail track as well, So which means downs you basically have nothing. This is amazing. You have a lot of people here, you know, who are riding. I mean, I've also met 3 or 4 tourists at the hotel, and then they're also supposed to come here. So, which means they also come here, especially just to be able to ride this, to ride this one. So, this is just fucking amazing. You know, from up there, I have the feeling that like it is only riding on one track, because if you can see, you know, it feels like like everything half is outside of the track and the other half is like inside. So which means that each one is going to ride on only one track. I don't know if that's the maths that, you know, or that's just the way I am seeing it, but that's how it feels. Look at down there, you have the waterways. It's swinging again. Check out. You can see that it's moving left and right. Hauptbahnhof main station. I don't know, like if this is the Wuppertal main station or what, but yeah. As it goes, you have more and more people coming in. just amazing that the way they constructed these things, like everything, left and right swimming. Oh, check out the dog. I don't know, like what will happen is like if it has to stop like in the middle of, the journey, because there you can't touch the ground. Oh man.
Bergbaumspflanzen.
Oder die machen nur die Fahrt.
Der Aufzug ist also bekannt. Ich
So that is the last stop, I believe. So everyone is going out. Guys, this ride is just amazing. Check where I am right now in Wuppertal. So this ride is amazing, you know, like if you are ever here in Wuppertal, I would recommend you to come and ride these things, you know, because it's just really amazing, you know, just to have something like this, guys. This is moving now. Going to that other side where people will go and ride it again. So I will go there and wait because I want to be able to record something from that other side as well. So let me go to the other side and hook up again, then go back again to where I came from, you know. So this is outside, and there it is. Here you have a lot of things at this station here, you know. So check out this, guys. So this is how they looks like. Not only that, you know, but they also keep on like a swinging a singer. Check out down here. I mean, like check for instance, like it just keep on swinging, you know, at the same time. So this is how it looks like, you know, it just keep on swinging. And down there you have nothing, it just keeps on swinging. Guys, this is really amazing. If you are ever here, you know, just come and ride this. So let's go inside. So I have all this space by myself, and there is another one there which is just standing right now, and this one is moving in 3 minutes, I believe. Hey, how are you? We are right now in Wuppertal, you know. We are riding. There is I don't even know the name, train, railway, whatsoever. Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? And yeah, the weather is also beautiful. So riding distance, it's also, I mean, so cool. Guys, check at the back. Wuppertal, yeah, it's Wuppertal. Those TikTok pays you like how? I have brand deals, like I work with brand schools, so that pays me. I am here in Wuppertal, you know, just to record videos for my YouTube channel. So here is the first stop, and then it's going to take like half an hour, I mean, for this ride. So yeah, we are right now in Wuppertal. Guys, check this. Just check this out. Oh look, I just want to get the most beautiful view here. trains coming, how does it feels like? So on this train here, so the rail tracks are not down but up. So it's like down, you have no rail tracks, nothing. So everything is up. So which makes this so amazing, and the ride as well. So we right now live on TikTok as well. Dark person. Hello Dark, how are you doing? Yeah, so this is like the next the second stop. It takes a little bit of time. I mean, sometimes to get it. To be honest to you, you know, like I've also seen people like who did the same, and then it took them, I mean, a little bit of time, you know, to get like even an answer. Anita, you did yours in which country? Ist das Wuppertal? Ja, das ist Wuppertal. Ah, du wohnst in Wuppertal. Ist mega so zum ersten Mal. Komm raus, komm raus. Look at this line. It's just amazing, guys. Where am I traveling today? Today I am going to be here in Wuppertal, in this city, and then tomorrow also I will be here. So in the next 2 days I will be in Zurich in Switzerland.
मैंने जो ऑब्जर्व किया है किसी तरह से बोलूँगा नहीं, श्रद्धा एंजॉय करती है।
वो एंजॉय कर।
So I just get out from this stop. Hey, how are you doing, Jones? So I just get out from this stop right now. So here is the, I mean, the Hauptbahnhof. I don't know the Hauptbahnhof from where. Doppensbach. So this here is not Wuppertal Hauptbahnhof, but Doppensbach, I believe. So look at this. So let me. Guys, check this outside here, you know, it's really amazing, you know, like it's really nice out here. So this is where the railway goes, all this way, you know, to where my hotel is. So I'm not quite sure like that if it is the same as in Wuppertal or, but yeah, let me just show you guys around. So here is the plan, and this is how the rail lines looks like. So I took it from here, from this place, as you can see. Then you go through all these things, and then up to there. So this is how the plant looks like. So which means now I will also have to take one from here, so which will eventually bring me back Hauptbahnhof. I am right now here, so I need like 1, 2, 3, the 9th. So I'm going to be there at the final place, like where I was before. So now in 2 minutes, this one is coming like in 2 minutes, and then I will show you guys like under if it is driving like through this way. So once it stops, then you will see that down there, you know, like between the barns and the ground, like so it keeps on like moving, something like that. So it keeps on like moving left and right. So let me show you guys this one. Check out this one. Check how cool this is. So this one I am checking is coming like in 2 minutes, and then I will hook up. I mean, like I will check that one. So then I will go back to where I was, and then I will also have to verify something, to also check something, because tomorrow I will have to leave like at 10 o'clock from the hotel anyway. So which means that I am going to need time to check on everything. But yeah, this one is now coming in 1 minute, and I'll be able to film to show you guys. And also check out there, you know, like how strong is this railway going to be. I mean, to be able to handle the whole train system, you know. So this is how it looks like. Check out it. So this is how it looks like, you know. And once you see here, like down here, it keeps on like it keeps on like moving, you know, left and right. You see? You know, so it's like if people are coming out, and then like it keeps on moving left and right, you know. So yeah, guys, it's like it's fucking cool right now. And not only me, but like I've also met with some people, you know, like who are also coming here simply because of this band. So it's really amazing to be able to film much of these things, you know, just to show you guys around. So the way I am standing right now, I can feel that, you know, like the band keeps on left and right, left and right. Like if you are watching from the window, so there you have the ground down. This is how the whole railway looks like the next stop, then I'm going to be at the final destination, like where I took the tram from, or I don't know, the tram or the train. So there you have the ground down. This is how the whole railway looks like.
Werterbrück.
There you have the second one down. I think like the next stop, then I'm going to be at the final destination, like where I took the tram from, I don't know, the tram or the train. So if you are a tourist, you know, you are in this city called Wuppertal, you definitely have to try, you know, like to ride these things, because this is really cool by riding these trains, you know. This is just amazing. Not many people inside, of course, because it is Sundays, you know. So like on Sundays you don't have, I mean, you know, like people are just at home relaxing with their families, but the weather is also good, you know. So if you are someone like who knows the city, definitely you will have a place to go, or you will also have something to do.